In front of me is REALME Narzo 60, and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock. Start by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Privacy. Now tap on Privacy at the top on the right and click on App Lock. Now click on the gray sweater next to App Lock feature to activate it. If you don't have privacy password already, you need to set it up to use App Lock. In order to do that, click on Settings in the pop-up, tap on Use a different password type and click on the best login method for your apps. 4 digits, 4 to 16 digits, pattern or alphanumeric. Then create your login method and repeat it in order to confirm it. Then set up your recovery email just in case and save it by hitting confirm. You need to also answer this security question at the top. If you don't like it, click on it and pick one of those. If you don't like any of them, tap on the question again, but this time select Custom Question at the bottom and create your own. Then tap on Confirm in the pop-up. Remember to answer it correctly below. And then click on this check mark at the top right corner. Finally, you can tap on gray sweaters next to apps that you wish to lock and exit App Lock settings. So when I try access one of them, I can see that privacy password is now required. If you wish to disable App Lock from one of those apps, go into the same settings. But this time, after selecting App Lock and entering your privacy password, click on blue sweaters next to locked apps. If you wish to disable App Lock completely, tap on the blue sweater next to it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!